Phrasal verbs for health and fitness. Want to talk about health and fitness like a native English speaker? Whether you are hitting the gym, recovering from an illness, or just staying active, these phrasal verbs will help you express yourself clearly. Let's get started. Number 1. Phrasal verbs for exercise and workouts. Workout. To exercise or train. I work out at the gym 5 times a week. Warm up. To prepare your body before exercise. Make sure to warm up before lifting weights to avoid injury. Cool down. To do light exercises after a workout. After a long run, I always cool down with some stretching. Bulk up. To gain muscle mass. He's been lifting weights to bulk up for the competition. Tone up. To improve muscle definition. She wants to tone up her arms before summer. Number 2. Phrasal verbs for health and recovery. Come down with. To become sick. I think I'm coming down with a cold. Get over. To recover from an illness. It took me a week to get over the flu. Fight off. To recover by resisting an illness. I'm drinking tea to help fight off this sore throat. Pass out. To faint or lose consciousness. She passed out from dehydration after running in the heat. Throw up. To vomit. He felt sick after eating expired food and threw up. Number 3. Phrasal verbs for diet and nutrition. Cut down on. To reduce consumption of something. I'm trying to cut down on sugar to lose weight. Cut out. To completely stop consuming something. She cut out junk food and started eating healthier. Fill in. To eat until you are full. A bowl of oatmeal really fills me up in the morning. Snack on. To eat small amounts between meals. Instead of chips, I like to snack on nuts and fruits. Load up on. To eat a lot of something for energy. Before a marathon, runners load up on carbs for energy. Number 4. Phrasal verbs for injuries and recovery. Pull through. To survive a serious illness or injury. The doctors weren't sure, but he pulled through after the injury. Heal up. To recover from an injury. My ankle is slowly healing up after the accident. Take up. To start a new sport or physical activity. I have taken up a yoga to improve my flexibility. Slow down. To reduce activity to avoid stress or injury. You should slow down if you are feeling exhausted. Stay off. To avoid using an injured part of the body. The doctor told me to stay off my feet for a few days. Now you know 20 useful phrasal verbs for health and fitness. Try using them when talking about your workouts, diet, or recovery. Comment below which phrasal verb was new for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. Thank you.